Niggas know what the fuck it is, nigga. It's the shooter, Mr. Top Bull. Don't forget the fucking Mister, nigga. We back at it, nigga. My nigga John made that call again. August 3rd, nigga. BullPen over the bullshit. We present Pendemonium, nigga. It's going down. Y'all about to love this shit, nigga. We back, nigga.
Almighty gang life. Cake life, cave gang shit. It's that nigga Chess, man. I got bad news for y'all. Nah, like literally, I got bad news for y'all. BullPen was caking. Atlanta, Georgia. Pendemonium. August 3rd. That nigga Chess. Bang! Somebody gotta die. Bad news is it won't be me, pussy.
Cave versus cave shit. Bad news versus Chess, nigga.
ShrugLife, 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 ShrugLife.
I hope you know you fucking with a real one. Yo, heard your man snitch, that you kinda worried. So you the pussy, he the rat, y'all Tom and Jerry. Turning foreman for the feds, so it's time to hurry. And you the dummy putting money on his commissary. What? Where they do that at? How are you that whack? But I'll let you have that. Nigga really think he poppin' cause his boot ass fat. And he got some V-neck, but my whole crew had that. Facts, these bitches for everybody, nigga, trust me.
Thoughts on?
My girl, I don't know, we don't get this shit, but I think that might stand good.
Yo, I don't need no
Niggas in the back out of time. Fuck you, man. Look at the corner, man. Fuck that.
Let's go, FLAMEZ. Hey, yo, what you got for me? Hey, I say you SUGE versus FLAMEZ. Without further ado, let's get it on. They fuck a shotgun. Since we was young, them cooks been bananas. We call them Diddy Kong. Without further ado, let's get it on. Fuck a shotgun. Since youngins, them clips been bananas. We call them Diddy Kongs. Don't show pity for him. Cause on IG, he said he ain't know who I was. Well, tonight, respect, you gon' give me mine, cause I'm hungry. And I got no choice but to eat. Since you gave me Jimmy, John. Now let's get the ball rolling. Cause this big fucker feel he about to have deep pressed like I'm heartbroken. But I'm the predator, nigga. You better pray you can survive out here in the Shark's Ocean. I'll run up on him. Shotgun. Y'all thinking the nigga cold motion. Then I hit him with it. Y'all ain't hear it cause the silencer made it soft spoken. See, I'm not joking. These pistols, get them. Sick 'em. Nigga, get it understood. I told some of the bulls, we can bet on who get the body. Kinda like the niggas in the wood. See, these shits will rinse him. I'll wet a grape. He'll get his Section 8 since y'all claim he living in the hood. And shotgun, battle, who y'all think gon' win? This Remington or SUGE? Big boy already came in this shit big-headed. Acting as if his competitor trash. But it's going one of two ways, my nigga. Al Snow or Clef from Dead Presidents. Meaning your head in my hand, or you can get your head in the bag. It's a single file round, motherfucker. And I'm ahead of the class. And I'm known to carry one. Since I was young, they always told me I was better in math. But you got a weapon that blasts? Cool. Let me introduce you to this can. Nigga, I can't let you win like you ain't wearing your wristband. I let the weapon spit. Turn ambidextrous. Switch hands. And watch how I abuse the mismatch. They got the little nigga on the big man. A hollow, or do him dirty. But you should know that, Suge. And yeah, you fire. If we comparing you to the throwback, Suge. I mean, sentences like these, you're gonna die behind these bars. That's how I know that, Suge. You'll get your ass lit if I let this fire fly. Think shotgun in a 5 wide. He gonna have no back, Suge. So football ball. Football ball. So stop it, bro. So stop. So stop it, bro. Y'all act like y'all know what I don't do when I get in this shit. Bitch, I rock the show. Once I see food, Flames get the cooking. Atlanta, welcome to Papa Do's. Hey, Julio. Hey, Julio. If I get tight with my ends, he gonna see Hawks. I'm gonna get Jimmy for his grams. Then hit the block to make my profit grow. But honestly, I ain't even gotta touch Jimmy and he'll still get hurt. Garoppolo. Okay. It's death outside your crib, my nigga. Guess who? It's me, and I'm off the meds. The Grim Reaper in your bush, like George when he lost his dad. I'm an office head. This ratchet blowing the job. She only off her head. And since this big this ratchet blowing the job, she only off her head. And since this big fucker like movie references so much, I got a toy that talk too, nigga. Come talk to Ted. See, this where all the extra stop. Cause big bitch, if I swing, I bet it not. Better not. You better not. You see how you better not. You see when this cake shine and this shit get the kicking, you'll really find out if he dead or not. See my breed difference. I'm cut from a different cloth, my nigga. I even bleed different. Every time I come here, what? Still getting good. Every time you come in. Every time I come here. That's 2, nigga. We good. We good. We 100. Every time I come here, I snap while I do. Come on.
He gonna talk and let somebody be quiet here. What name you got?
I said if I swing on this big bitch, I bet it not. Better not. You better not. You see when this case shine and this shit get the kicking, you will really find out if he dead or not. See my breed different. I'm cut from a different cloth, my nigga. I even bleed different. Every time I come here, I snap while I do my job. Why? I mean business. I got a clean sniffing and a throwaway. They both kick like a horse. Fat ass, you wanna see biscuits? Yeah, cause these bullets ready to jump on a bitch like go flea biscuit. Hey, that big boy bully shit you be trying to do, tonight you ain't gonna be able to pull. Why? Y'all know goddamn well Jimmy don't want to play with the wolves. See the Niner plan. The Niner plan. I'm loyal to my ratchet. I'm an honest man. I don't give a fuck if you bang. I still show no respect for the flag. I'm a Niners fan, but y'all thought this nigga was gonna win off his name alone. Please, y'all was just counting me out. But ain't it ironic now that I'm in the ring to take Jimmy's heart to prove that I'm the mouth of the South? Nigga, what my life like? Nigga, we been getting some things in. Making a couple plays, trying to run up this cash up off the loud. What my life like, you was buying spark plugs for your whip. We was using them for the porcelain so on licks the glass don't make a sound. Nigga, what my life like? While you was spending all your little fucking money on that fat poppy tape, we was making sure we got straight back to poppy first. When we was hitting licks and we ain't had no mask and gloves, we said, fuck it, we already knew the t-shirts and socks would work. See, I came here to cook. I'm his personal chef. I told John, don't spot me while I'm working this set, cause I'm just here to crush a grape. So he probably gonna whine. But don't cry, cause in life the only thing certain is death. Graveyard, nigga. Hey, yo. We got Shotgun Suge versus these Flames. John asked
asked, was I gonna give him a shot for a Chirac? D Games. You know how I rock, you know how I get with the chrome? I'm here for the different look, for a different body. I'm back in the A like Gucci home. Let's get one thing straight. Yeah. I'm the biggest thing in Nork since Redman. Every battle he holler graveyard. Well, that only mean to me you a dead man. So let's settle it. He irrelevant. You only tough behind your lines. Zeke Elliott. They don't tuck the same. I brought extra ladders, extra trucks, wet them up, cause everything going up in flames. I bang. Yes. I bang, nigga. Graveyard, grave digger. Needed a brain shifter. Graveyard, the grave digger. Needed a brain shifter. If it's fire, the whole room gonna know. Flame sensor, you a bitch, you a quagmire. We out looking for blood like a vampire. If I see him, my goonies surround flames like a campfire. I'm guaranteed paid like a salary. Heard your wife named Valerie. 2 sticks, put flames on nice. Calgary. I can write a book on the track. You got a lot of cook in your rap. The only thing Flame's good for is cooking up crack. You did this for your hood? Dang, Broner. You did this for your hood? You did this for your hood? Dang, Broner. Shit get hot. Toss him off stage like a flamethrower. Yo, my shooters want his head.
Get between Sean and my man.
My shooter.
Come on. What do we expect, y'all? That's shy. He gonna act a fool. You told him.
My shooters. My shooters want his head. My shooters want his head. This Drake the loud pusher. He got his crew, the crowd cooker. Headshot. Let one hit D'Angelo. Brown sugar. I keep shooting till the stock done. Got done. Beat the bar. The more shots come. Flame shot. Bacardi 151. He don't know nothing. Yeah. He don't know nothing about changing the name on the dope. Headshot. Turn flames into smoke. With my life like. With my life like. My shit real. The only thing I care about more than my kids is a bad name. Old trap, 100,000 in the bed frame. I'm from where? You don't know your man silent till the feds came. My life like, I don't do business with out of towners. What you know about sipping serve, catching bodies or popping downers? What my life like? I'm high, too high, I need a detox. The dispensary got a weed spot, 2 button like a screenshot. What you know about buying pounds off a green dot? What my life like? I started trapping in the Cherokee. Me and my man had the Cherokee. What you know about buy a bag, get a bag, free dope like it's charity? I keep 230s, I'm a rock star. I'm from New Jersey Drive, we still cop cars. You and your man dick sucking online, that's your whore job. Think the wire. I have D'Angelo dead hanging from a doorknob. I'm back in the bullpen to learn bitches. They only call you D Flames cause you burn bitches. So act tough. So the stupid nigga act tough. I slam on him like Shaq with the back door.